So here's the exciting part. An empty shell, a blank canvas, you know, and we spent almost 2 years figuring out what we wanted, only to find out that what we were planning on doing isn't going to happen anymore, so we have to start from scratch again. I think we're on to Plan 25. Here we are, plan number 852. I can't seem to keep up. Originally, our van was intended to be a 12-month of the year live-in place. We were going to be nomads, we would live van life. The only roof we had would have been that one. And we were going to rent everything, all our conventional places to live were just going to be, all of our conventional places to live. We were just going to rent everything, live in the van. That was the plan. So we designed it to accommodate that, at least what we thought we would need to accommodate that. But now, with COVID, and we've moved to British Columbia to be closer to the kids, this is going to be more of a touring, camping holiday van. And so our needs have changed, so the design has had to have changed because of that. One. And then COVID reared its ugly head, and that changed things too, because even though our intention was that the van would be our residence, we didn't expect to be living in it every day. We thought we'd be doing a lot of camping. We'd be staying in campgrounds. We'd be using public showers and public washrooms. Well, that doesn't work anymore, does it? That's something you really have to think twice about in the world we live in today. So we've had to rearrange that thought. Also, while we were driving from Ontario to British Columbia, to avoid contact with people, we slept in the van. On top of all our stuff, we slept in the van. And we found out we slept really well. But more than that, we found out that even when it's really cold outside, it gets cold in the van, but the van heats up really quickly. We didn't realize just how fast that space could become warm again, and we realized that we could extend our season very easily. And COVID has caused a real problem with supplies. The supply chain is totally disrupted because of the virus. And that's caused us to constantly be redesigning because we can't get something or rethinking it. And going through that process, Kathy had what I think is just an outstanding idea. That in every city, in every town, in every community, there's a whole lot of local businesses, mom and pop shops, a lot of local businesses that have always been there for us, have always provided us with good service and good products that are just hanging on by their fingernails because they've been told they have to shut down. Walmart and Costco can stay open, but all the small businesses have to shut down. And those poor folks are having a real hard time. And we've made the decision for this van build and for our life in general that we are going to buy as much as we can locally, as local as is possible. I'm going to maybe have to negotiate the price a little bit. I'm not above that. But I want to be able to, at the end of this, say, we've got something that we really love out of this van and something good's come out of it as well. I don't want to start ordering everything off of Amazon and put a lot of people out of business. I just don't want to do that. We're making that decision. So because of that, we're starting to shop locally, and because of that, some of the stuff we're going to use is going to change too. The design's changing again. But this one I'm really happy about because I feel like this is a good thing for us to do. We are going to buy as much as we can locally. I'm going to walk you through that, and I just know that this is going to be a great build when it's all done. We all have to do our part because we are all in this together.